This is Technicya with another quick tutorial. Sometimes you need to copy text from an image, just like this I have on my desktop. But if you want to copy the text from this image, you cannot directly copy from that. So in this video, I am going to share you a method to process this job. So let's start. First of all, open the image that you want to copy the text from it. Here I have a sample image, and to do this we will need a Microsoft Office tool called OneNote. Open the OneNote. I have a 2016 Microsoft Office. Here open and open a new tab. From insert menu, click on screen clipping. Make sure to open the image before opening the Microsoft OneNote. Now you can select the area that you want to copy the text. Now right click on the text. It's in a picture format, not in the text format. Right click on this and select copy from copy text from picture. Now on empty space, right click and select the uh, paste option with the letter A. Here, keep text only. Now you can see that the image is converted into text format. Now you can copy this and paste in any application like Word. Here, it's now in text format. If you like this video, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Technicya. I will catch you in my next tutorial. Bye bye.